In this question, two lists are given. We need to match the list from one side to other side. So I'll just put the dimension what are mentioned in the list 1 and then we'll match with that list 2. So first one is PAS. So PAS, what do you mean by PAS? That is the first question. Wherever you see S, so that signifies seconds, means it will be T. PA is the pressure. So PA, pressure, or we can denote as P, is equal to force by area. And force means mass into acceleration. Acceleration means length t to the power minus 2, and area means again length to the power minus 2. So PA is coming m l to the power minus 1 t to the power minus 2. So PA will come m l to the power minus 1 t to the power minus 2 into t to the power 1. So here the dimension will come m l to the power minus 1, then t to the power minus 1. So now check on right hand side with which it is matching. So it is matching with line number 3, m l minus 1 t minus 1. So it is matching with 3. So you can put like this. Moving on to the next one, n m k to the power minus 1. So n Newton, m, don't confuse with this m and this m. So m, it is means meter, means it will be length, and k, that thermodynamic temperature, so it will be Kelvin. So it will be also k to the power minus 1, the way it is there. So we'll just continue. So n is a Newton. Newton means it will be the force. So force, what we have seen here, force is coming like this, m l t to the power minus 2, mass into acceleration. So you put that value of force, m l t to the power minus 2 into l k to the power minus 1. If you simplify, it will come m l square t to the power minus 2 k to the power minus 1. m l square t to the power minus 2, m l square t to the power minus 2 k to the power minus 1. It is line number 4 on the right hand side. Okay. Now going to the third one, it is joule. J is joule, kg to the power minus 1, then k to the power minus 1. Okay, so joule is the unit of energy. Joules equal to energy. Energy, the simplest way to find that energy is the potential energy. So we are finding the dimension, so we can choose any energy, and potential energy is the easiest one to find the dimension. Potential energy, and potential energy, it is mgh. We know that it's a mass of m. If we put a certain height h, then the potential energy, and g is the acceleration due to gravity. So we know mgh. So its dimension will be m, mass, g is that acceleration, so l t to the power minus 2, and h will be l. So if we put that, m l square t to the power minus 2. So this is basically joule energy. So if you put here, it is coming m l square t to the power minus 2, then kg again, it is coming m to the power minus 1, kg to the power minus 1, and k to the power minus 1 will continue as it is. So m getting nullified, it is coming l square t to the power minus 2, k to the power minus 1, l square t to the power minus 2, k to the power minus 1. It is line number 1 on the right hand side. Last one is coming WB m to the power minus 1, k to the power minus 1. So this is the fourth one, and of course the fourth one will be the remaining one, so we can easily find out. But let's find out what does it mean for the fourth one. WB is the power, so you can just put this way. So it is power equal to work by time. You have seen before in our previous classes, and in your 9th and 10th standard also you have seen that power equals to work per time. So now work, again, force into distance. I am putting the dimension here, L by time t, and force, we have seen that ml t to the power minus 2, mass into acceleration. So if you put this way, ml t to the power minus 2 into L into t to the power minus 1. So we are finding out the dimension of power. So it is coming m L square t to the power minus 3. M L square t to the power minus 3 is the power. So if you put here m L square t to the power minus 3, and here this m means this is the length, as we told before, this is the length. So it is coming L to the power minus 1, and K to the power minus 1 is the temperature. We all know that. And here it is coming ml. So here 2 1 minus 1 is going out. It is coming L t to the power minus 3, K to the power minus 1. So ml t to the power minus 2, then k to the power minus 1. So it is coming equation 2. So so this is the way you can find out the dimension, and you can very much match in that question.